Okay, so we are back. So let's see. So what I was trying is to let me copy again the original file so that we have it here. This is the original file. Okay. So the first thing, okay, so let me put some music so that I can, okay, so what I think we need to do is get the level from the level, which is get y. Okay. Then so what I would do is get y1, okay? So this is the original script. Yeah, okay. So what I think you have to do is get y, because get y is not change. Wait. Set x2. Wait a moment. Set x2. Wait a moment, 6x2. Didn't I see something like set y2? In any case, I think that the right thing to do is to get the price that you had originally. I mean, it should be the same thing in any case. Okay. So, what you push into level lines, let me see if everything is okay. I can hear myself. Wait, yeah, I can hear myself. That's nice. So, when you create the line, it has exactly the same number on both sides, and what you want to have here is you want to have high from the same candle, or low from the same candle. Okay, I wanted to write this from scratch, but you know, okay, so this gets deleted, and probably the problem here might be that we don't want to check var index. You don't want to check var index. So line. So its x1 is var index. isn't it? Line bar index. Line bar index is array.get level lines j. Yeah, I mean not j. Wait, I'm not doing this right. So it's this thing here. 1 second, please. So what they want is x1, and this is an integer, which is the bar index. So we can say something like level first bar index equals to line bar index equals, it's like this, isn't it? It's equals is, yeah, I think it's like with two of this, equals bar index. Okay, and then I guess that we have if not of, and we can do that. So if not level first bar one index, then do everything here. I think, I'm not sure if this is the logic, the right logic, but field so field should not be checked. Yeah, I think this should be it. Let me see. Where the hell are you? Here? Oh, look at that! Now it works. I mean, I'm not sure that every single line is going to be here, but I think so. Yeah. I mean, that's because you were checking for the value at the very first spot, and that's why if you used 0 it didn't work, because you already were there, so you were changing, you were removing it before. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, let me make a copy, and probably I will make paste bin, because it's not worth making a strategy out of this. Okay, let's change. So this is A3. 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 I mean, burn after red. Disable the. I mean. So 1 week and it expires. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, so let's send paste bin into the chat. This would be Okay, so let me see. So my problem is, so I want to turn this into a strategy, so I think I'm going to use arrays with values and not this thing with types. And yeah, so there's no need to have boxes and stuff like this. You only have a strategy and that's it. So the problem is, how will you do this into single strategy so that you only have one trade? Or do you have limit trades and you open trades as much as you want to? So yeah. So first of all, we would need so the problem that I have is that the strategies that I usually use have the logic of the strategy is inside of the same strategy, and I can decide if I want to go in or out. But if we choose to enter an order into limit order, then it means that this is wait a minute, please. Okay, but in any case, I can try to work with limit orders. Maybe it's better. And then the logic is when I want to trigger a limit order, and that's it. And then I get the trading engine, the trading view chain to work. Okay, so let's work onto the row. Can you add alert? No. You don't want alerts. That's not good. You can add it if you want to. We're going to do a fucking strategy. Okay, so here we have the BodyOutlier. Okay, so I would need to rewrite the strategy in such a way that that I can send limit orders to Zignaly thanks to strategy. Yeah, so okay, let's find template, which I don't remember very well. Where was it? Something like Ruckard Zignaly template, Zignaly tutorial, Ruckard Zignaly template. That's it. Here it is. Okay, so now how the hell was this? Oh my god. Don't remember very well how all of this was done back in the day, so let me open this. Okay. Trading. Okay, so this is okay, so we have this body outlier, and now we're going to work on it properly. Wait, this is not it. 1 second please. Let me open this so that we can have it here. One second. This is spot trading holding strategy. Wow. It's going to be even better as a strategy. Okay, buy and hold. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. So first of all, we need to know we need to change the name. So this is going to be body outlier, and body outlier. Okay, so here we have the stupid template, which I guess it has the two emas or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, we don't have anything, so that's even better. But the problem is that now I will need, when you trigger this logic, I will need something else. But yeah, okay. Okay, let's have this thing here so that we can check it properly. So this is, what the hell are you? Body outlier. So this is going to be body outlier A. Use proper body outlier name. Okay, so How the strategy works, I don't care too much. I don't know how to explain it. Or yes, I know, maybe. Okay, so how the strategy works. Explanation. Where the hell is explanation? Line 20 or so. Okay, so place limit orders when there is an outlier candle based on its body. Big green candle plays a long entry on its low. And of course, big red candle plays a short entry on its high. As always, we will be able to turn on or off this thing here. Yeah. Face beam. Okay, let's see if I can see anything for the time would like to pay. Okay, so what more should we be doing? So we have used the proper name, we have explained how the strategy works, and now we need to work on the actual strategy. Okay, so basically let's see, and these are going to be limit orders, so yeah, handle the boy too long and short next to me order. Okay, whatever. Okay, so here we have, let me see how now I want to have. Okay, so we have the inputs, the functions, whatever. Why do I have a strategy here? Let me see. I'm not very used to all of this. 1 second, please. Okay, so hi Vastapishi. This is some strategies, nothing to do with Machi. So, as I was saying, here it is. Here I have an example of what the hell to do. Okay, so this is what I want to do. So yeah, so first of all we need the inputs. Yeah, okay, that's what I didn't, I was forgetting about this. So inputs, okay, so let's go to the original script which has some inputs. Let's find out what we want to use as inputs or not, and let's define them. Okay, then we will fight with the strategy. I mean, yeah, wait, I forget about this. So before going on, I need to fix this stupid, I mean not stupid, but all of this which is not okay with the way I do stuff. So first of all, let's fix this, and then I will be able to copy and paste on the right place, and that way it's going to be better. So alma length, yeah, so alma length is used here. So alma length. So this alma length is the length of the body only change pass body range. Yeah, so body range, body range alma length. Okay, what the hell is this? Nowhere else. I mean, it's the filter. I don't know why. So we don't want this, we want the filter. So this filter should be body range filter. Okay, so body range filter. What the hell is this thing here? In lane A1. Yeah, forget about this. So this body range function should be after the inputs. So yeah, this is not okay. Let me see. Change body range vector green. so this should be what the hell? What the hell is this? High SRC and so on. Why would you do this? Okay, so everything here is there. Let's put this here. Body range is a function, so we want functions before anything else. Only change pass. What the hell is this? Is this here body range? No, this should be here because it's needed here. Okay, so more inputs which are not used for anything, we will be removing them. So I think that everything here, okay, let me make this small maybe. No, that's too small. I think that all of this here is not found here, so we are going to remove all of this, show bubbles, so on. Yeah, this one is here, extended field. Okay, hide file, I think that it's also here. And box white, it's not here, so perfect. I mean, let's put, okay, so off sig. What the hell is this? The talma off and the talma sig. Okay, so what we're going to do here is maybe we air body range alma off. Yeah, and then sig is going to be sig, which I'm not sure why is this used for, but yeah. Okay, so this filter is not actually from the Alma, but it's from somewhere else. Extended tilt field, height field. We don't need any of this. Why would you have this? Wait a moment. Yeah, okay, it's trying to replace this. So this Alma with the change something something something. Okay, vector green and so on, which is the stupid thing that you can do, work with colors. And then delete all levels. Yeah, let's make a copy of this. Wait, no, this is, yeah. Let me copy of these. Okay. So this is going to be B01 because we are messing around too much with it. In any case, what we can do is we can move these inputs that hide field. Wait a moment. High SRC. Okay, and low SRC. Let's go. We don't want this if it's not needed. So yeah, this is going to be also body range extend till field. It's with two L's, isn't it? Okay. Extend until field. Hide field. I don't know. Hide field. I don't know what the hell is this. Let's do it. Okay. We are not done yet. So we have this syntax to use so that the filter is okay for us to have here, which is here. So we have the group and the inline. So if we want everything into the same line or not. So let me see how the hell do we do this. So I think we want the alma length in the same place. So we could use something like this. Okay. So this would be 500. So this is body range alma length. Wait. Length. Yeah, but if we wait a moment. I have some of this here. One second, please. I should have some examples on how to do this properly so that it's in the same line. I don't remember very well how the hell was this done. Okay, here it is. Tooltip. Length and source. Length and source. Okay, so why would you have a title? Okay, so you only have the first one as a title? Oh, I thought it was the other way around. So this is body range alma. So this is going to be group body range alma, and this is going to be body range alma settings, which is different than the other one. Okay, so this is what we have here. Then you want this is input float, and it's the only way that makes sense. So this is the off stuff and sig. So here we don't have any title, and this is input int. I'm not sure what the hell. So this was wait a moment, I'm messing around this. Which are the actual values? Okay, let's open the original one so that I can take a look at it. So off is 0, like this, and the sig is 16. So this is input int 16. No stuff here, and here on the bottom tooltip. So the tooltip here is this one here. So length is 500, off is 0.85. So these are the default values, and sig is 16. Okay, and so this thing here, which is float, let's copy this again. It's also going to be under the under whatever, you know, but this is going to be, yeah, body range filter with a percentage. Group is going to be the same group, but this is not going to be settings but filter, because we want another line. Although, yeah, it's another line in any case. This 03, and we're going to remove it, because why would you have it there? So now this should be here, and here we are. Okay, so two more settings here. So let me copy this so that I have a template or something like that. So this is Boolean, true. Group is going to be body range extension, let's say. And in line, body range extension 1, let's say. I don't want to, I mean, there's no inline, so there's no need to have it, but let's do it like that. Inline CC, what the hell does mean inline? So this other one is false, body range hide file. So let's make sure that this is false. Wait, extend until fill here, and the other one is hide field. Let's make sure to use the right title for everything. Body range extension, body range extension. So this is number 2 because we don't want the same line, and so fill until filled. Group conditions. Yeah, I mean extension condition group body range conditions. Let's say like that. Body range conditions. So we can remove this and let make another copy. So this is going to be B2. Nice. And so let's try and see what the hell happens with this indicator. This is green so far. spot with line. Okay, as you can see, it works the same way. Now I can say something like this. So you have body range alma, and here you can see length of sig, what you have here. This is the filter, which doesn't have tooltip, although maybe it should have it. Extend until fill, height field. Okay, so we have conditions properly set here. So this is nice. So once you have this, you can start to think to put everything here. So are there any inputs which I don't want to have? No, there are not. So I can copy and paste everything here and go to the strategy. What the hell is this? Implement the strategy inputs. So we have all of this. So I'm going to leave them here like this. I'm not sure if I want to do the tooltips, although it would be better for yeah, maybe I will do it just now. So tooltip is defaults. What the hell is this? Filter 0.5. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, okay, so like this. Tooltip. Tooltip default is true, and tooltip default is false. Okay, let's wait. No, this is the one. This is the one what we want to have here, and so right now what we have here is these inputs. So let me see. Strategy. So we're going to commit this first commit, and we're going to say added explanation on how the strategy works. Implemented strategy inputs. So yeah, this is going to be one single commit. Maybe not, because I'm not sure what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to do several commits because I'm not sure what I'm doing. So this is yeah, I'm going to add this, and so this is going to be body outlier super strategy number 1. Okay, and then we're going to do number 2. So number 2 is just add the functions that we need in order to do all of this. Okay, and then we can work on the logic. But any helper function for the strategy, we need to have it here. So Where the hell is this? So these are the strategies. Okay, one less viewer. Okay, so yeah, what the hell are the functions? So implemented the strategy functions. So here we need all the strategy functions that are used here, and body range. I mean, what's the problem here? This is not right, because everything should have a proper name, isn't it? And this is not proper name. Yeah, so okay, so here on the top, we are going to rename body range as something else. Body range function. Wait a moment. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. Let's use body range like this, because I think it's going to be easier for all of this to work without colliding with anything else. So now I should be able to copy this into the functions. Okay. I mean, I think that body range. Wait. Okay, let's put body range like this, and that's it. Okay, so here we have the functions. Okay. Body outlier. So this is going to be number 2. Okay. And so the next thing we want to do is whatever we need. So we need some variables and so on in order to work with the strategy. Okay. So we have the functions, and then we want to work on the strategy. So I'm not sure if I have. Implement the strategy functions. Yeah, this is, wait a moment, this should be I mean, maybe here we should say body outlier functions begin and end. Okay, so now what you do is this, hit add, then you amend this, and so the commit is all of this. Okay, now let's work on the strategy. So body outlier super strategy. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so body outlier super strategy, and okay, so now let's try to implement this somehow, because I'm not sure how to do this properly. So now we need to think out of the box. We need to think this differently, because what it's been done here is not perfect and it's not the way I want to do it. So let me give me 3 minutes, please. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we don't need any of this, or do we need it? Vector ring. Wait a moment. Oh, well, here you have different colors, which is interesting. Okay, let's work with this, and then we will see. Only change pause. What the hell is this? Only change pause. Why do you have here average body 2? What the hell is this? Average body 2. Okay, yeah, because you have 1 and 2. Maybe. Body range less than less. This is not right. Or is it? Body range. So what I don't understand from all of this is the red one. So the first condition is okay, so you've got color line, but the second one, so this body range might be positive or negative, okay, which is yeah, it's here on the functions. So here on the functions, this change is what's positive or negative. So you'd say this is less than average body 2 negative, and the filter okay. So what you want to do is body range long, which is going to be this thing here, okay, and you also want to do body range short, which is going to be whatever we are using for checking the red, which is here. Wait, this thing here. Here, short. Nice. This is what we want to do. Only change pause. Okay, this, I don't like this name. So this is body absolute absolute body range. Okay, and then you've got this alma average body, so average body 2, it's going to be average body range. So now you can see how if your body range is greater than the average body range, like this, and the same body range is greater than the body range filter, then this is long, otherwise it's short. So I think this is number 3. Okay, let's see. So look at that, we have some spaces that we are going to fix right now. And where was the other space? There was something else somewhere. Absolute body range. So here. Okay, so number 3. Okay, so let's test this and see if it builds or not. So spot with line, we can remove it. Here we can say that we want new strategy as a template, and we replace with our own strategy. So it's body outlier A24. Why is that? It should be 01. Haven't died on this properly. Oh my god, I have not done this properly. Explanation, use proper auto name 2. Okay, so now are we going to be able to implement this or not? Okay, so nice. Okay, look at that. Bar 58. What the hell is this? Historical values. No, this is not going to be a problem according to me, but we will see. Okay, so this has built without any problem, and now we're going to think away at the moment. So basically what we want to do is yeah, where the hell is strategy? BodyOutlier, and so here what we want to do is to say that we want to long here, and we want to long here on the short, but this is very wait a moment, yeah, and this is going to work I'm not sure if this is going to work right or not, but this is not what we want to do. Okay, because we want to do something else. We don't want to follow momentum, you know what I mean? And take profit and so on. I mean, we are not closing anything unless we define, I don't know, specific take profit or something. So okay, so do we have anything here? No, we don't have anything. Okay, you see. Why isn't this working? I mean, it should be meaning we have the condition. Wait, unless I mean strategy test. Oh, wait a moment. I have to add this to the chart. I am not used to do this apparently. Okay, here you are. Look at this. So here we have this thing about, yeah, I mean, it's not very good strategy, but this is because for 1 hour in XRP, this filter that we have here, 0.5, I don't think it's a good thing. Maybe we need something like something other than, I mean, 1%, 2% or whatever, so that we have much less. So what happens with 2%? Okay, 4%. Let's try to make less trades and see. You can see how more or less starts to work. Although I think that the right thing to do is do it the other way around. Yeah, I mean, this is not the strategy, okay? Okay. I mean, $1.5. Okay, look at that. 1.5. Is this good enough for us? Here we have. So I was trying to check if this was a good idea the other way around, because if we say when there's 1.5 then go the other way around, this would maybe be something else. But let's see what happens with our friend Bitcoin. Look at that. So with Bitcoin, this seems to work in a different way. Let me see, because I'm not sure. I mean, take profit, the full logic, which is don't do anything, or what the hell is this? Extend until fill. %, 2%. Look at this. This is very. And I mean, the problem that I have with this strategy, even, I mean, so this would be a momentum strategy, but the problem is custom time frame. The problem is take profit, the full logic. Only useful if you code your own take profit logic, the full true. Okay. Yeah, the problem is that I'm not. I mean, okay, let me check how the trades are done, because I think. So what happens here is that when something wrong happens, then we close. So there's no take profit per se. The only take profit that is stop loss. So we should probably do some take profit here, so that it's not everything so wrong like this. This is not okay. But the problem is. Okay, look at that. Take profit, but we should be able to. Yeah, okay. So take profit with this reward ratio of 1.5. This is what we want to do. Look at that. This is a very good thing to have. So what about 1? This should be better, isn't it? I mean, not so good, but yeah. And what happens with 1-to-2 ratio? Ah, okay. So when a momentum happens, we long, and then we close. That's what we have with this strategy right now. I mean, it's not what the original strategy was about, because you are supposed to wait for the price to go down. You don't go straight forward. But yeah. mean, there was this thing about 1.5 which was better, but you know, it's not, you don't want to overfit any of this. This is very nice. So you want to turn on take profit and 1.5 of risk reward ratio, and you are good to go. 1.2 profit factor, and in how many years is this? 2021 maybe, don't remember. So from 2021, in 2 years you've got plus 80%, but drawdown is 12%. Maybe too big, so we could make this smaller. And yeah, there are some places where it ranges too much. But the thing is, this could be a strategy. So okay, so now what I want to do is write down what we have done here, which is, so reset settings, and we turn on take profit. Okay, and risk reward ratio. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Something like this, maybe. Why the hell? Okay, body range filter. Okay, let's try to write it down, the changes that we need here, so that we don't forget about them. So so take profit, true. Then take profit, default logic, true. And use this risk reward ratio, true. And then you've got here 1% or 1.5. I don't remember which one was it. It was maybe 5%, 2%. 2% maybe. Yeah, so body range filter 2%. Okay, so let's let's do one thing right now, which is okay, so first of all, hit diff, so we add this, and this is use body outlier super strategy. Okay. So now this is another version. So it's going to be A2. A2 and A2. So this is going to be something else, something. Where the hell I have this? Wait a moment, please. Conversion to A2. Okay, so now I'm going to set the A3 settings, which are take profit is true, so take profit is true. Default enabled. Okay, then take profit default true, default logic is true. What the hell is this? Here it is. So wait, so this is true by default. Okay, so this is true, and risk reward ratio, we want this to be true too. Enable. Default disabled. Default enabled. Okay. And then body range filter 2%, which we could optimize, but body range filter 2. Okay, look at that. So this is going to be BodyOutlier how the hell do I do this other times settings? So this is A3 settings. Okay, and then once you have this, you go here. Let's reset everything. Nice. We select everything, paste and save. Look at that, I'm working on risk reward ratio setting and it says something here. Okay, so now we have this. Nice. Once we have this, let's bump the version and we will be done for today. So we will have to think about if we want to do what the original strategy did. That was just wait for the price to settle down again and then buy again. You know what I mean? So this is more of a momentum strategy, which might be right or not, but it's there. So let me see. Burn version A3, and we should have a tag, because otherwise, so this is tag body outlier A3, body outlier A3. Okay. Hit status. Hit push origin main. And hit push origin and this thing here, and we will be done. Okay, so yeah, let me gather okay, so tags, so probably latest tag is here. So here we have scripts, body outlier classic. So let me copy this onto the video URL. We can implement compound. Hey, here are some messages that have been deleted. We can implement compound in the script. Yeah, it's implemented by default. Right now it uses 1% stop loss, 1% strategy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's 1% loss. Okay, let's have here the URLs. So I'm going to copy also the URL so that you can have it here, and this is going to be on the video. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so probably another version of this script is not doing market, because if you take a look at the script, what this is doing actually is, what the hell is this? What this is doing here is what the hell is this? Now I cannot see. So Look at that. So if you are long, not close, something, this is going to do a strategy entry, strategy long, and so on. And this happens on market. This is market order. This is not a limit order. This is a market order. Okay, this is not what the original strategy was about. And I would need to do it, and also the take profit rules, which is something else. Let me see. Where the hell do I have this right now? I had. Oh yeah, it's. Close price of the candle. Close price of the candle. Take profit will be limit order on the same candle and use. Yeah, I guess that the close price is the same candle, something like that. I don't know. Oh, you can have an custom take profit and make it so that it's whatever. I don't know. In any case, once we have this, we can play with settings to see if there's anything better. You know, 125 usually it's better, but it's not always like that. I mean, it's more. Okay, so 0.80. It's not like this. I mean, 1.5 is quite good, and then what you can do is stop loss. You can do it, which is less big, which is going to be less big to take profit. Maybe this is nicer curve. I don't know. Profit factor is not very good, but anyway, we still need to add limit orders, which was the original code, and maybe it's going to work better. Okay, see picture. Yeah, no, I mean, I'm going to end the stream right now. Maybe later we can have a part 3 and try to make what's the name? A part 3 with the limit orders. But for now, this is it. Okay, so the script links are on the description. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.